Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share Excel files in Teams. If you're trying to share an Excel files in Microsoft Teams, there are a few easy ways to do it. So here's a simple tutorial style walkthrough. So open Microsoft Teams and go to the team or chat where you want to share the file. Now for a chat, open a conversation. So open a conversation with a person or group. Next, click the clip icon in the message box that says attach files. So click on that. Next, so you can choose attach cloud files or upload from this device. So let's click upload from this device and choose your Excel file. Then click open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. You can add a message if you like. Then click this button right here to send the message. Now, if you want to share an Excel file in Teams channel, so open Teams and select the team and channel. Go to the Files tab, then click Upload. So click Upload from this device.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Then select your Excel spreadsheet from your computer. Click Open. So once uploaded, the file will appear in the channel's file list. So team members can open it directly in Teams or in Excel. So files shared in Teams are stored in Microsoft 365 storage, typically OneDrive for chats and SharePoint for channel files. So your ability to edit or share the file depends on its permissions. And that's it. Thank you for watching.